So guys, ayun na yung my birthday celebrant. Si Chloe. Ayan siya. Ay, kita tayo sa camera. Salamin. So ayan, ang kanyang invitation. So ito yung mga ano niya, yung mga invited. So ayan guys. Ang ganda siya pagka-arrange, diba? Tapos dito yung table. Ayan, yung mga table. Wala pang tao, mamaya pa ang tao. So, ando yung mga kids. Andito yung misa.
Hindi pa.
So, ayan. So, ito yung ano. Dito yung debutante. Uupo. Ganda siya. Chloe.
Alam ko yan na gano'n?
Cute. Nakupuan niya. Oh. Tapos, dito naman tayo. So, ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung cake niya, guys. Sponsored by Isel. Crisel. De La Rosa. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay ng cake. Tapos yung mga yan. Mga cupcake. Ito yung cupcake yata yan eh. Tapos yun. Ito yung mga giveaway.
Ito pala may mga ilang
Cute.
Ami, o mga ilang mo pala.
O sige, kakabit ko na lang yan. Ito yung pamaypay. Ano to te? Giveaway to te?
Hindi, yan pang premium. Yan ang sabi niya.
Okay. Akin na. So, dito tayo mamaya.
and boyfriend.
Oh,
Alright, let's just have a picture taking. And then right.
More birthdays to come. Happy 80th birthday. Happy birthday, Chloe, and we hope that you enjoyed this day, your special day that we've prepared for you, and maybe bond more crazy moments as we vibe together, and more of that crazy moments with you, because that's our bonding together. And we hope that you enjoyed your day, and I'm always here for you.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to begin by thanking each one of you for being here tonight to celebrate this special occasion with me. I feel so blessed to have such amazing people in my life, and it's truly an honor to have you all as part of my debut celebration. And I would also like to thank my Victory family. I helped us to organize and make this celebration possible. Thank you po to Pastor Tan, to Ate Gina, Ate Ak, Ate Daisy, Ate Manji, Ate Isa po for my cake. And Kuya Jason, Ate Majan for not just
Iyak na yan.
thank you, not just for today, but throughout my life. Special day. This special day would be possible without you, so thank you for being my
Iyak na naman kami.
and thank you supporters. So again, thank you everyone for all my effort, time, and love. I will forever be grateful and thankful for making my 18th birthday memorable.